Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do something really fun. We are going to take Linux Mint Cinnamon, the desktop that many people think looks simple and maybe even boring, and transform it into something sleek, modern, and elegant. A full macOS Big Sur style desktop. This isn't just about looks. Along the way we will improve the workflow, add powerful tools, and tweak Cinnamon until it feels fresh and new. So stick with me because by the end of this video, your Linux Mint system is going to look and feel like a Mac. And the best part, you can follow along step by step even if you are new to Linux customization. So let's start small. On macOS, the close, minimize and maximize buttons sit on the left side of the window. So let's open System Settings, go to Windows, then go to Title Bar and move those buttons over. It's a small tweak, but it immediately gives you what the Mac-like Windows feel. These little details matter because when you use your system daily, muscle memory kicks in. By putting the buttons on the left, your workflow begins to mirror that of a Mac, making the whole experience more authentic. Think of this step as laying the foundation for the transformation. Next, let's give our window switching some style. Instead of plain Alt-Tab, we will use 3D cover flow, head into System Settings, Windows and Alt-Tab, and switch it to Cover Flow 3D. Now when you press Alt plus Tab, you will see your windows open sliding in 3D, just like flipping through album covers. It doesn't just look cool, it makes multitasking more visual. You can actually see what windows you are about to switch to, which is both functional and beautiful. This is one of those small tweaks that makes Linux Cinnamon feel modern. Now let's make navigation faster. Enable hot corners so when you move your mouse to the screen corner, it instantly shows all the windows. It's similar to macOS Mission Control and it makes Windows management much easier. While we are here, let's go to extensions and turn on transparent panels. Suddenly the top bar feels more modern and clean, letting your wallpaper shine through. This creates a sense of openness instead of the desktop feeling boxed in by solid panels. Combining hot corners with transparency makes your desktop feel dynamic, more like a living workspace than a static one. function, let's install Conky with Conky Manager. It gives you lightweight customizable system stats right on your desktop like CPU, memory, and time. It's minimal yet super useful. You can choose from hundreds of themes and layouts, so your Conky setup can be simple or as fancy as you like. Having system information always visible is not just practical, it also makes your desktop feel more